Hey everyone, let's talk about the 2025 Audi RS6 Avant, the wagon that makes supercars nervous and family haulers jealous. This isn't just any ordinary estate car, it's a 621 horsepower monster wrapped in a practical package. Right off the bat, let's address the elephant in the room. This thing is fast, really fast. The twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 launches you to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars, and you can do it with your kids and groceries in the back. Speaking of the back, you get 30 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats up, expanding to a massive 59.3 cubic feet when folded down. Try fitting that much stuff in your Porsche 911. The exterior design is absolutely menacing. Our car looks like a stealth fighter on wheels. Those wide haunches, aggressive front end, and massive wheels give it a presence that's hard to ignore. Every time you park it, people would stop and stare. And you know what? They should. This is automotive art at its finest. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the nicest interiors in the business. The RS Sport seats are perfect. Supportive enough for hard driving, but comfortable enough for long road trips. Everything you touch feels premium, from the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel to the crisp displays. Yes, there are 3 screens, and while they look fantastic, they do take some getting used to. But here's where things get really interesting. Despite weighing over 2.5 tons, this wagon handles like a car half its size. The air suspension is nothing short of magical. In comfort mode, it soaks up bumps like a luxury car. Switch to dynamic, and it transforms into a corner carving machine. The Quattro all-wheel drive system puts the power down so effectively, it feels like the laws of physics are taking a coffee break. The sound? Oh man, the sound. That V8 produces a symphony that'll make your neighbors both love and hate you. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it lets you know it means business. Floor it from a stop, and you're treated to a deep growl that builds into a magnificent roar as you blast toward the horizon. Now, it's not all perfect. Fuel economy is pretty much what you'd expect from a high-performance V8. We averaged around 17 mpg in mixed driving. The infotainment system can be a bit finicky at times, especially when it comes to wireless Apple CarPlay. And with a starting price of $126,600, it's not exactly cheap. But here's the thing, for what you're getting, it almost feels like a bargain. Think about it. You're getting supercar performance, luxury car comfort, SUV practicality, and head-turning looks all in one package. Try finding another vehicle that can do all that. The verdict? The 2025 RS6 Avant is simply outstanding. It's the kind of car that makes you question why anyone would need anything else. Need to pick up the kids from school? No problem. Want to embarrass a Corvette at a stoplight? You can do that too. Heading to IKEA? There's plenty of space for that new furniture. This isn't just a great wagon. It's one of the best all-around vehicles money can buy. It's practical enough for daily life, yet exciting enough to make every drive feel special. If you can afford one, buy it. You won't regret it. The RS6 Avant isn't just a car. It's proof that you really can have it all. And that's my take on the 2025 Audi RS6 Avant. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.